Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So managing pages in Goodnotes is super easy once you know where to look. Whether you want to add more space or remove unnecessary pages, you can do it in seconds. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to delete or to add pages in Goodnotes quickly and correctly. Okay, so first thing first, open your notebooks. Okay, so launch Goodnotes, open the notebook you want to edit. For example, you will see your current page. Okay, add a new page. For example, tap the add page button. Okay, so you have here many options. You have to look for the plus button and then choose add blank page or add page before, add page after, and select templates if needed. So new page appears instantly. Add page using thumbnail view. So for example, tap the 4 square thumbnail icon. Okay, tap plus where you want the page. Okay, and we have many options. Choose templates. It's great for precise placements. You can also delete a page. Okay, so open thumbnail view, for example, and tap the page you want, tap delete, and then it goes to the trash icon. So page is removed instantly. Be careful, deletion is immediate. Okay, you can delete multiple pages too. So this is optional, like in thumbnail view, for example, tap select and choose multiple pages, and then after that tap delete. So this saves time when cleaning notes. Okay, so common mistakes, for example, adding pages randomly, deleting wrong pages without checking, not using thumbnail view, mixing templates intentionally. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.